Let's begin with some breaking update that we are getting for you at this point in time from the national capital. Government panel NTAGI has recommended increasing the gap between two doses of Covishield to 12 to 16 weeks. No change for Covaxin dosage interval. That's what the sources are indicating at this point in time. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Sharon joining us on the broadcast more on this. Sharon, what more details can you share with us, and on what basis is this new recommendation expected to be announced? The gap between two doses of Covishield can be around 12 to 16 weeks.
Well, Hina, these are source-based information as of now. There is, in fact, an NTAGI meeting that is scheduled to happen today. We will get an official version, whether they have, in fact, decided or not. But based on what the sources have been reporting is that the Covishield, the gap between the first and second dose, earlier it was around 6 to 8 weeks. Now it is, they are mulling to do it to 12 to 16 weeks. Earlier, the explanation that has come to increasing the gap has been that the Covishield, when there is a longer gap, it really works better, is what the explanation from the NTAGI has been last time. So, of course, we have to wait for an official version as to why they have gone ahead and extended further the gap between the first and the second dose of Covishield. Other than that, in the scheduled meeting, there is also going to be a discussion on pregnant and lactating women, whether they can go ahead and get themselves vaccinated or not. So these are the two topics on which the agenda on which the meeting is scheduled today. A clearer picture will, of course, become after the meeting is concluded, Hina.
And very important information you are bringing to us, Sharon, that for lactating mothers, for mothers who are feeding their children, for them also the decision is expected to be taken in the meeting today. Are we also likely to see some changes as far as Covaxin is concerned too? Because on one hand, there is huge shortage of Covaxin doses as compared to Covishield. The number is much lesser, and the gap between two doses is also much lesser.
Well, that is right. The gap between, when it comes to Covaxin, the gap between the first and the second dose is in fact 28 days, and it continues to be so. Though the Covishield gap has in fact been increased to 6 to 8 weeks from what it was. It was also around 28 days, but then it was increased to 6 to 8 weeks, and now the reports are suggesting that it has now been will be increased to 12 to 16 weeks. But as far as Covaxin is concerned, the gap between first and second dose continues to be 28 days. So, of course, we will get to know after this meeting is concluded what is the kind of decision they have taken as far as the gap between both the vaccines are concerned, and also as far as the lactating and pregnant women are concerned, with whether they can go ahead and take the vaccines or not.